আসসালামু আলাইকুম। আমি আজকে ডিসকাস করব দ্য ওয়েভ ইকুয়েশন। ওয়েভ ইকুয়েশন, ওয়েভ স্পিড equal to frequency multiplied by wavelength. So V equal to F into lambda. V is for speed of the wave or velocity of the wave, and F for frequency of the wave, and lambda for wavelength. Speed in meter per second, wavelength in meter, and frequency in hertz. There is a formula triangle. You can remember this one. Now question number 1, calculate the speed of the water wave of wavelength 3 meter and frequency 6 hertz. So wavelength lambda equal to 3 meter and frequency small f equal to 6 hertz. So 6 hertz into 3 meter, so 6 3 ja 18 meter per second is the speed of the water wave. Now question number 2, calculate the frequency of a wave in water of wavelength 2 meter if its speed is 16 meter per second. So V equal to F into lambda. So we have to find out frequency, so small f. So small f equal to V divided by lambda. V is the speed here 16 meter per second divided by 2 meter. So 8 hertz is the frequency of the water wave. So frequency is the number of complete wave within 1 second. Here 8 complete wave is produced within 1 second. Calculate the wavelength of a sound wave in water of frequency 300 hertz if its speed is 1500 meter per second. V equal to F into lambda. So lambda equals to V divided by F. So 1500 meter per second divided by 300 hertz. So answer 5 meter. Now question number 4. Calculate the speed of wave that has a wavelength of 30 meter and time period 0.04 second. 0.04 second. So we know frequency f equal to 1 divided by time period. So 1 divided by 0.04 second, 0.04 second. So small f, that means frequency equals to 25 hertz. We have to find out the speed of the wave. We know V equal to F into lambda. Here F 25 hertz and lambda 30 meter. So 750 meter per second is the 750 meter per second is the speed of the wave. Calculate this one. 750 meter per second is the speed of the wave. Calculate yourself. 750 unit of speed is meter per second, so 750 meter per second is the speed of the wave. Now try to complete this table. Here first one, frequency and wavelength are given. Here frequency 15 hertz and wavelength 4 meter. So we have to find out the speed. We know V equal to F lambda. So 15 into 4. So answer is 60 meter per second. In second one, we have to find out the frequency. So we know V equals to F lambda. So F equal to V divided by lambda. So V 330 divided by 2. So 165 hertz is the frequency. Third one, Now diffraction. When any wave passes through a narrow gap or sharp edge, then it spread out or changes its direction. Spread out. This phenomenon is known as diffraction. Diffraction occurs when waves spread out after passing through a gap or around an obstacle. So see wave diffraction. Look at the diagram here. That means when a wave is passes through a narrow gap or sharp edge, then it is spread out. This phenomenon is known as diffraction. So diffraction becomes more significant when size of the gap or obstacle is reduced compared to the wavelength of the wave. So look at the first diagram. Here width of the gap is more than the wavelength. That's why uh, diffraction phenomena does not occur here. In the second diagram here, width of the gap is equivalent to the wavelength of the wave. That's why diffraction phenomena occurs here significantly. Now choose appropriate words to fill in the gaps below. A wave transfer energy without movement of matter from one place to another. Remember, a wave is a phenomena, wave is a process by which energy transfer from one place to another place without movement of the medium particle or molecules of the medium particle. In a transverse wave, the particle vibrations are perpendicular to the direction of wave travel. That means here the vibration of the medium particle is perpendicular to the direction of propagation of the wave. Frequency is equal to the number of waves produced by a source in 1 second. Time period is equal to the reciprocal of the frequency. The speed of the wave in meter per second equal to the wavelength in meters multiplied by its frequency in hertz. Remember. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, subscribe my channel and share my video with your friends